Hello friends, are you looking for a job in an airport? Then you are click the right video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the jobs which are there in the airport that is announced by the Airport Authority of India. So watch till the end for all the details. Do not miss any details. And before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please click subscribe and press bell icon. You'll get the notification as then and there itself when we upload the video. So let us start without any delay. Airports Authority of India has called for 83 number of vacancies. The job location is all over India and the post is junior executive. The salary will be minimum of 40,000 to 1,40,000. It's salary per month, not for the year. Please don't get confused. 40,000 to 1,40,000. This is the salary. Next, let us see what are the vacancies. Now, junior executive fire services, there are 13 number of posts. And for the junior executive human resource HR, there are 66 posts. And junior executive official language, there are 4 posts. Total 83 number of vacancies are there. Next, let us know about the age limit. What needs to be the age limit? Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. That gives us an encouragement to make the videos, and please share this video and channel to your friends so that it can help them to get a job. So let us see the age limit. Minimum age limit is 18 years and the maximum age limit is 27 years. But don't be sad, there is an age relaxation has been given for certain categories and certain limits of years has been relaxation. Let us see that relaxation. OBC category candidates can have 3 years of relaxation, and SC ST candidates has a 5 years of relaxation, and the PWBD, that means person with benchmark disability candidates, have 10 years of age relaxation. That means if you are a PWD candidates, then 27 is the maximum plus 10, that is 37 years of age relaxation has been given. Means that if you are a 37-year aged one, then you can apply for this job if you are a PWD candidate. Next, application fees. For the SC, ST, PWD, don't get confused. PWD and PWBD are the same. SC, ST, PWD, and female candidates, there is no application fees. You can apply for this post on free of cost, and for all other candidates the application fees is 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees. The application fees, the mode of payment is online. You have to pay the application fee online. There is no way to pay the application fees offline. If you do so, then application will be get rejected. Next, let us see the what is the selection process. The first process, selection process, is computer based test. The next is physical measurement test, and the next is driving test, physical endurance test, and the last one is an interview. If you pass all these tests, and you will be called for an interview. If you pass the interview, then you will get the job for sure. Next, let us see the steps. What steps needs to be followed to get this job? Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please join the WhatsApp channel which is mentioned in the description to get the daily job details and job updates. Okay, let us see the steps to apply. Before applying to this job, please read the official notification before applying for the job, because if you miss any details and you will not get the job on applying, and you also cannot make any changes in the application after submitting. So please read the official notification carefully. I will tell you how to get that official notification in the video. Please watch till the end. And application has to be filled through online mode, and in that online application please fill up the email ID and the mobile number carefully because they will communicate through the mobile number and the email ID. If you get the job, they will send you an email. So please mention it correctly. And please get the documents ready. What are the documents? For the ID proof, identification proof, you need to get the document ready like Aadhaar card, voter ID, or PAN card. And for the age purpose, age proof, you have to get make the keeps ready document, that is SSLC mass card, keep that document. And for the education qualification, you need to keep that document ready, that is qualification certifications and the marks cards and a resume if applicable. And if any certification, if you are any experience, then please keep the experience certificate. And I will let you know how to get this application link in the video. Please be patient. And you have to all keep this document on in scanned copies because you have to apply it online. So please keep the scanned copy in the PC, or else take a photograph in the mobile if you are applying it through mobile. And this I have told you about the passport size photo as well. And pay the application fees as per your category. If you are, I told you right, SC, ST, PWD candidates, all the other candidates. So please keep that caste and income certificate for that purpose because they are giving the reservation. So you have to keep those documents ready. And at last, after you submitting the application, if you get any application number or request number, please note that down because it will be very helpful for your future reference. Let us see the application starting date, that is 17th February 2025, and the last date is 18th March 2025. You might know that it's far away from today, so you might leave it at and apply it on last date, but don't do that because at the last moment application you might not be able to apply because there might be a server crash. That Okay, let us see the qualification details. Junior Executive Fire Services. For this job, the qualification is BE or BTech. Junior Executive Human Resource, the qualification is graduation or MBA. Junior Executive Official Language. For this post, the qualification is degree or post graduation PG. And I have told you to read the official notification, but you ask where we can get it. I am telling you this. There is a there is a link in the description. We have given the Telegram link. Click that and join that channel and download the official notification from there. After getting the official notification, you want the application link, right? I am showing you on the screen. This is the application link. I will give you this link in the description. You can check it out from there and apply from there. And the official website address, please note it down: aai.aero. Most of the results and the if you get selected, they will announce in the official website. So please note it down or take a screenshot, or it will be there in the video description. All these details are for this job. If you have any doubts, any clarification needed, then please comment in the comment box. We'll get it clarified. Thank you for watching till the end.